Hi superstars! In today's video, we'll be talking about how to make videos with your phone, how to shoot videos with your phone for different social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And as a business owner, by the end of this video, you'll know how to shoot videos with your phone that will enable you make sales. Okay, so in our last video, I said I was going to show you how to edit videos with your phone. But then I realized that, hey, not everyone actually knows how to shoot videos with their phone. We have so many different platforms that have different video formats that are acceptable on those platforms. Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make videos that are acceptable on different platforms and will enable you be noticed and visible to your target audience or target buyers. Okay, my superstars. All right, without taking your time, let's get started. Okay, so before shooting any video, first you need to know that you will keep your camera facing you, your screen facing you this way. Yes, this is how you place your camera. You use your front camera to video. It is easier to video with your front camera, not your back camera. If you video with your back camera, if you're the one shooting the video by yourself, it will, by the end of shooting the video, you realize that it's either the camera was not well placed or you won't be able to look directly onto your screen. So it's best that if you are the one in charge of videoing yourself, you shoot with your front camera. This will enable you look at your screen. And whenever you look at your screen, when you are making videos, it means you are communicating with your audience. Your audience will feel you. It will mean that you are speaking to people directly. Okay, I remember the first video I made, my superstars. After making and uploading that video, my brother gave me a very candid review. He said, I noticed you were not looking at your camera. You were looking elsewhere while talking to people. So I realized that what caused that hitch was because I used my back camera, and so I couldn't look at my audience. In order to grasp your audience attention, you need to look at them like I'm looking at you right now and communicate with them. Let your viewers feel you. Let your followers feel you. Let it be like you're talking to them one-on-one and not talking to some other person. Okay, my superstars? So use your front camera whenever you are making videos. Okay, my superstars? Okay, so the next thing you need to know is that we have two modes of shooting videos. We have landscape mode and we have portrait mode. In shooting videos in landscape mode, you keep your camera this way, you place your camera this way, and then you shoot your videos. Okay, video shot in this format is best for long form videos on platforms like YouTube, and you can also upload videos in this format on Facebook. Videos in this format are in the ratio 16:9. Okay, my superstars, the next video format is portrait mode. Video shot in portrait mode, the camera is positioned in this way. Yes, you place your phone and camera in this way and shoot your videos. Videos shot in this format are perfect for short videos on YouTube. And in making short videos on YouTube, your video should be less than 1 minute. That is 60 seconds or less. Anything above 60 seconds is no longer considered a short video. In order to make a short video, it has to be 60 seconds or less than 60 seconds. Okay, and videos in this format can be used as reels on Facebook. Yes, in order for your videos to do well on Facebook, your reels to do well on Facebook, it has to be shot in portrait mode and your phone has to be positioned this way. Okay, Videos shot in this mode also do well on platforms like TikTok. Yes, videos shot in portrait mode can be placed on TikTok platforms and they do very, very well. Okay, my superstars, so videos shot in portrait mode are in the ratio 9:16. Any video in the ratio 9:16 is a portrait video. Okay, my superstars. All right. Okay, so the last one I'll be telling you is on Instagram. Reels are best made in the format 1:1. So if you're making videos for Instagram Reels, it is best you, after shooting it in portrait mode like this, you convert it to 1:1. Videos in that ratio do very well on Instagram Reels. All right, my superstars, if you follow this mode in shooting your videos on different platforms as a content creator or as a business owner, you'll realize that your videos will do very, very well. Okay, my superstars. All right, so in our next video, I'll be showing you how to edit your videos. So keep it, my superstars. If you have any question, please feel free, leave it in the comment section and I will get right back to you. If you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. My superstars, please take a second to share this video so it can get to people who need this knowledge as well. Okay, my superstars, and please give me a thumbs up so I'll know you love this kind of content and create more of this content. Thank you for always watching my videos. I appreciate every one of you. I love you. Till our next video, always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars. Whoa.